It's Monday, so what does that mean? Another day of me waffling on. Let's go. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video of me waffling on. Hopefully you've enjoyed the series so far. This is the fourth one in a row. Proud of myself for actually getting 4 done like in a row like this. It's been really good reading the comments and stuff, especially on the reselling video. Like that got a lot of interactions, people getting pissed off about how it works. I'm just saying, like, it still pisses me off to this day. I've actually bought a pair, resold since then, so just what it is. You miss out. If you want the trainer, you got to go for it. Is what it is. But today's subject is about Nike and Jordan brand. Like, are they going too hard so far this year? Let's get into it. So right now we're in like mid-March at the moment, and Nike and Jordan have gone absolutely ham this year. So many releases that have happened, so many releases that are coming up. It's absolutely like a bit crazy for like sneakerheads at the moment. So it's a bit tricky for what people want to do. Like, in one sense, it's good because Nike wants to get another footing back in the race, because Adidas, they've been killing it, let's be honest, and they're sort of taken over for them for a while. Now it's their chance to fight back. They've got so much fire in their catalogue, and most people, a lot of new sneakerheads anyway, is getting into kicks. So like when Black Cements come out, people are going to be hyped to want to get a pair. When Air Max comes out, people are going to want to get a pair, etc, etc. So they've got so much in their tank to go after, so it's just going to be piling on, piling on and piling on, and that's what they've been doing. Like, the amount of fire Jordans that have come out is absolutely ridiculous. The amount of Air Max, crazy. Like this past weekend, this Saturday, I think it's the 24th, the date was, they brought out the Tinker Jordan 3. They brought out the Game Royal Jordan 1s. And they also brought out the Weatherspoons as well. It's like all on the same day. So imagine you're a super Nike fan, Jordan fan. That's like £200 for one. I think it's like £150 for the other, £120 for the other, whatever. That is a lot of money to be throwing down like on one weekend. It's crazy. And in one sense, it's like, oh, you might miss out on one, so you might get the other. But what if you wanted all three? Why can't they spread it out a little bit? Like, even if it was every week, it would kind of give someone some time, but not really. Unless you're a reseller or someone with a good job, you're not going to be able to afford all the kicks that you want. So I don't, the strategy is super duper aggressive. I kind of get it, but also don't get it. Like, not only have they released those 3, they've also got a hella amount of Vapor Max coming out. You've got the new 270s coming out and the new colorways. It's like, where's it gonna end? Like, earlier this year, there was so much fire coming out at the same time. It's kind of like a good thing that I didn't win as many raffles as I did. Because with the Jordan 3s that came out, I guess it was February time, they had the Black Cements, the free throw lines, and I think, I'm not sure, what else, something else came out as well. There was like 3 pairs coming out, and I was like, if I get all of these, this is gonna be like £500. And I kind of want them all, but now that I see the price of it, I kind of don't want them all. So it's, I don't know. I think they're going a little bit too hard. They kind of got to spread it out a little bit. And it's Air Max month as well. Like, Air Max month, they brought out those recent ones that came out with the cheetah print or whatever it's called. I'm not Air Max, but I can't remember the name. I think it's the Atmos collab. Yeah, Atmos collab. Those ones came out. So that's come out one weekend. Now you've got the Weatherspoons this weekend, the Tinkers, the Game Royals. It is just too much. They need to chillax and relax. I know they're not going to blow their load early because they've got hell of a load of sneakers in their sort of lineup anyways, but still, if you're a fan, you're kind of pissed. Like this weekend that's gone by, I didn't have a clue which ones to go for, whether the Game Royals, the Tinkers, and the Weatherspoons. Like, I was in raffles for everything, so whatever happens, happens. The worst thing is with end launches, they've really got your money coming out, so that's happening no matter what. Like, and I'm not really one to have like 6 pairs of trainers coming in. I can't be asked to resell them, and I don't want to keep them either, so it's just a madness as it is. But I think they're going a little bit too hard, and they need to chillax and relax. Like, 2-3 pairs in the same weekend that are certified bangers, like guaranteed, is a bit ridiculous. They could have just shelved it, one at the start of each month, good to go. But I guess they have their plans, they have their marketing strategies. I don't get it. I don't think I'll ever get my head around in general, like the whole process of doing limited sneakers in the first place, I don't get it. I guess it works for the fans, but as a company, if you make 2,000 more pairs, you're guaranteed to sell them. The only people you hurt is the resale market, so why are you stopping that? I don't know if they think that if they brought out fire kicks in big quantities, they'd just be sitting there, be wasting money. I don't know, there was big numbers on the black cements. They were sitting in some sort, I don't know if they still are, because I haven't really been to the shops lately. But people love them. And you're kind of nice to have fire kicks on the shelves to go and buy when you want them. So, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I like limited sneakers, going off topic. I like to have the only pair of sneakers that I'm walking on the street, I don't like to see everyone rocking the same thing that I'm rocking, so I kind of get it, but I think they go a little too limited on certain pairs that it don't make sense. All you're doing is helping out the resale market. Generally the resellers win anyway, so you're not helping anyone really, you're just killing the game. But anywho, you tell me what you think. Is Jordan Brand and Nike going too far? They're releasing too much stuff at the same time. I think they are. I'll be surprised if anyone disagreed with this. Anywho, it's the end of the video. Another week of me waffling on. That was definitely some waffle today. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notifications every time I upload a video. And also follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers. That's the link down there. Signing off. Later.